I'm going to be... Anybody like Nerf guns? Because my dad won't let me have airsoft guns. What the heck? My fingers are moving like this! Alright, anyway. But this is like the... Something majiggy. This is the, I forgot the name. Spectra Reef 5. And I'm going to show you how it works. Well, first, the tail of the gun. Similar, you pull, and it twists, and then you push in, and then it stays. But you do this, you got something weird. Oh, stupid piece of poop. And then this on the front of the gun is the silencer. You can take that off too, and you can look through it. Chimichangas! And you can take that off, and then just have like this silencer on. Simple, like that. And then this is the cock. Go like. Pew! I shot a turtle. Dang it. And then the load you can do. There's a button right there. Click and then push. Oh my god, it's so magical. And then you do this. Stay alive, stay alive, ow, 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 stay alive, stay alive. Guten Tag. Anyway, you collect that back in and you load, and then you go. Is this pointing the right way? Okay. I shot myself. Oh, I shot myself. I shot myself. Next, you can take it off. Everything off. Yeah. And then, if you're playing war, you can do this. You can. This is going to be my end of the video. All my series. Goodbye.